Welcome to the very first episode of Mental Freedom for Youth podcast, and my name is Hazel Zuruni and I will be your presenter today. And today we're going to talk about mental health and wellness in youth in Zimbabwe, specifically the Bulawayo city. Mental health should be a priority for Zimbabwe. Mental disorders make up 8% of the disability-adjusted life years in 2010. And over 37% of healthy life years are lost to non-communicable disease. This means more healthy lives are lost to mental health and behavioral disorders than either cancer or heart disease. According to the World Health Organization, HIV or AIDS and other chronic conditions worsen the risk of developing a mental illness and vice versa. Mental illness and suicide thoughts can affect anyone of any age, from any background, and at any time. Gujeni Central Hospital Clinical Director Dr. Wellington Ranga said it was vital for everyone to undergo psychological evaluation on a regular basis to ensure that all mental illnesses are diagnosed early and treated. Dr. Ranga said mental health was overlooked in Zimbabwe, as very few people recognize the need for professional counseling if going through any social and psychological challenges. On a recent story, a 14-year-old at school in Bulawayo, Zimbabwe, Townsend High School, committed suicide after her mother told her to do her homework before watching television. Nomakwezi Nkomo hanged herself with her young brother's belt from a screen door at Sunning Hill suburb home at Zimbabwe, Bulawayo City. It is believed she could have been depressed but failed to articulate her feelings, resulting in her suicide. This was a real tragic story. This brings us to the end of this week's episodes. Don't forget to join us on the MF4Y group on Facebook and join the discussion about mental health. You can also email us on hazel.dz@gmail.com if you would like to request a particular topic or discuss something and as well get some assistance. Once again, I would like to thank all of my active listeners, and to our sponsor friends, we thank you for listening today. May God bless you all. Don't forget to check out new updates on mental programs on the Ministry of Health website, which is www.mohcc.gov.com, or on our personal website, www.mentalfreedomforyouth.org. See you next time. Bye.